Check it out, friends. This is Port Orford Public Library's new cursive writing MakerBox Kit, available for you to literally check out, take home, and work on your skills to do cursive writing. Have you ever done it? It used to be taught in the schools. People my age do it all the time. And a lot of people have been out of practice because it's not something that we teach too much anymore, but it's got a really lot of important things going for it. Things that'll help your brain grow, help you to learn in all areas of life. So here's what you'll get when you check out this kit. You'll get a dry erase board that shows you how to form each letter. It's a little bit different than manuscript writing or printing like we typically do, but you can follow the arrows to create all the letters. The fun part comes when you connect all the letters together to make words. So we've got cards and this mat that are both dry erase. It'll come with the marker so you can practice over and over. Erase it off, wipe it down, start again, and keep practicing. You can also practice on paper. We've got capitals and lowercase. Got some blank pages. This is fun. Once you get the letters down and you start writing words, you can practice writing with some of these jokes. Knock knock. Who's there? Orange. Orange who? Aren't you glad to see me? I'll be glad to see you when you come into the library to pick up your kit. It's good for a 2-week checkout period. There are no reserves on it, so you got to come on in to get it. Keep on practicing and see what you're going to write once you know how to do cursive writing. Have fun. We'll see you soon at the library. Bye.